What's going on, guys? Alan from Dr. Pigment. Today we have our second Raptor that we've ever sprayed. This one is actually a buddy of ours. We did his Shelby GT and Punchin' Peach. We pretty much just call him Peach Mustang. So he ended up loving it and he wanted his other vehicle done, and we're spraying in a color that we have never sprayed before in-house. We've had this one for at least 2 or 3 years, but never had the opportunity to spray it, and it's called Sea Green. That's C for chrome. I'm not saying it's chrome, but it's very chromatic. It has a very, very, very high metallic color to it. Of course, we're gonna add a little bit of a change to it. I plan on adding a green booster to it because I wanna, you know, spice up the green color to it. We're gonna be using our Wagner Pro 130. When it comes to spraying trucks, I say it every time, man, I have no desire in spraying with a compressor with a little 16-ounce hopper. Can you do it? Yes. Have I done it before? Yes. However, I have a means to a better method of application and it's faster, I'm gonna do it. So I'll be able to probably get, I don't know, 4 gallons sprayed in an hour and a half, a little under 2 hours. So, and then the rest of the day we can call it. We took most of the stuff off, we disassembled what we could. Some of the like plastics, the trim, the side mirrors, the front grille, it's all like faded. So I mean, he has 100,000 miles on this bad boy, so it's been around a while. We're gonna re-black that out, let that dry overnight, spray the sea green, then we're gonna spray the gloss. We're probably gonna flow coat it, mainly because we got a little funkiness going on from the vinyl that we removed on his hood. It was on there for a long time. So we're gonna probably have to flow coat it only just to smooth this area out, but I don't mind doing that extra work because it's really worthwhile. That's when you spray your first coat of clear coat, let it dry overnight, come in the next morning, sand with, I don't know, 800, 1000 grit, stay away from the hard edges, of course, clean it, and then re-clear it. So, all right, I'm done talking. You already know. Let's just get to work.
I can't breathe, I need to get some air, but is it toxic?
Okay, all right. This is called flow coating. I kind of just learned it. I don't want to say on my own, but just watching YouTube videos. Yeah, so we sprayed the clear coat, sanded it with 800 wet, dry, and then we just wiped it down with water and denatured alcohol. I should probably stop touching it, but whatever. Yeah. This is gonna look good. This is gonna look really good. I added a little bit of green booster to it, and I'm glad that I did. I mean, let's see if we can get... Oh, we put masking paper back there. Some people, I've seen like a pool noodle, cut it to size, and they like shove it down in there, and then whenever they're done, they take it out. That would work. You're just trying to avoid as much overspray back there. So, I mean, shoot, if you really want, you can take the bed off if you have the proper equipment. I mean, there's always another extra step that you could take, but yeah, well, I need to get that. Sea green with green booster. And then we sprayed spherical clear coat over it. I could do a little bit more sanding here. Not so much here. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, a little harder, we would have burned through the color. We would start to see the base, which is black underneath. So yeah, right here could be a little bit better, but I think it's fine. I plan on spraying this next coat, and then I'm adding 5% reducer to it as well. So this will help just give it that extra layer of just fluidness. I don't know how to, just 5%, just do it by weight. Typically a full hopper, you end up needing like 90 grams, which I guess I can convert it to ounces and tell y'all, but whatever. 5%, just get a scale. If you need help, let me know. I had to learn, I had to ask, so I could make a video on that. Now I'm just talking and thinking out loud. Okay, all right, let's get to work on this. I still gotta wipe this down again, and let's spray our clear coat.
The next day.
Oh, this is beautiful. It's my first time seeing it in the sunlight. Oh my God. Y'all. It's more green in person. It looks kind of teal-ish on camera, but there's a shade more green in person, if that makes any sense. Oh my God, I love this. A good buff and polish? What's that? I don't know. Got a little hood action from his vinyl. Oh, that's all right. It looks fine. I feel like maybe I got, let me get this on camera. Hold on. Look at the light. You see the bubbles? Hold on, they're there. There we go. See that? I think we used the wrong spray bottle when wiping down the entire car. I feel like we used the Dawn dish soap spray bottle versus the one that was the watered and denatured alcohol. Because all over the entire car I have like these little pinholes, which is either contamination, right? That's number one, the factor. And then, yeah, this just isn't normal. I see it all across. Here's a good, right? It's not bad, but it's not good. Oh, and the hood where the vinyl was, it has like a weird dry effect. So we're left with a couple options. We can sand it smooth again. I don't want to do that. That's just taking the truck from the customer even longer and extending it. Yeah, I don't want to sand again and re-clear, re-flow coat, and just go through more sandpaper. I mean, this is still pretty soft. It's gonna sit for a little bit longer for the day, and then I'll unmask and let it sit outside in the sun. It'll be ready today for the customer. But as for fixing this, he's a photographer. Fixing his car is a priority of mine. I'm gonna have him come back and we'll we'll work something out where give it a couple weeks, let this really harden and do its thing, you know, and cure. Come back and let's buff and polish this. I mean, this isn't, it's not bad, but that's not, I don't like that. You know, this could look better. I don't think we need to we need to flow coat sand with 1,000 or 800 grit again till all that's smooth and then re-clear it and let it sit another day. I'd rather unmask, clean it up, deliver it to the customer and say, hey, I'll see you back in a couple weeks if you can. And let's make this look a step close. At that level, you're practically factory finish. Like you're doing that extra step of wet sanding and buffing. Here we go. Ooh. I gotta run. I don't even know what happened. I was just going ham. I gotta run there. And right here. Right whenever I started. This was my starting point. And I think I just went, you know, I was just trying to get all in here. I'm happy-ish. Hey, girl. I'm happy-ish. Could be better, but that's always, you know, personal criticism, I guess. But we'll let it sit for another hour or two, and I'll start unmasking and cleaning it up and getting it ready for him. So, yeah.
Where's Da Vinci?
They picking sides, they crossing the line. I stick to the truth, I'm one of a kind. Gave it a God and follow his signs. Now all of a sudden I'm stuck in my prime. I'm wishing them well, I threw them a dime. They stuck in the shell, they drowning with time. You see the game, we still undefined. If they coming at us, they better rewind. Yeah, walking around with drip on me, gotta make sure I don't fall. I got kids that's looking up to me, gotta watch the way I talk. When they talking all that fakery, I just don't get involved. Got them praying on my downfall, but they still gon' sing my song. They doing the same thing, they copy and pasting. Whole lot of hate, I see what you want, you don't gotta fake it. I'm feeling like Peyton, I'm about to go apes. Yeah, what are the odds? I heard you a fraud, I need some explaining. Look, my circle is tighter than ever. My chick, she bad and she better. I promise her that I won't let her. I'm in the kitchen, I'm back and I'm better, huh? Maybe a little more clever. Put my faith on display like a header. When I'm stopping, the answer is never. They picking sides, they crossing the line. I stick to the truth, I'm one of a kind. Gave it a God and follow his signs. Now all of a sudden I'm stuck in my prime. I'm wishing them well, I threw them a dime. They stuck in the shell, they drowning with time. You see the game, we still undefined. If they coming at us, they better rewind. I feel like LaMelo, I'm young in the league, but I'ma still put up the numbers. We just hit a milli, that's crazy to me. God told me I gotta stay humble. I stay in Miami, 100 degrees. We treat every day like the summer. Yeah, I know Jesus died for my sins. Ain't no way that I'ma fumble. They saying I changed, but I don't deny it. It's part of the plan. Yeah, God gave me a hand. Without him, I'm nothing. No need to pretend. Yeah, I doubted myself, but never again. I pray that my pride never get to my head. Defeating my ego, I'm moving ahead. Yeah, look how far we done made it. Now they copy flows in my cadence. Built this up from the pavement. Ain't no favors, give me my payment. I might need a vacation. Hold up, they been trying my patience. Yeah, I've been fighting temptations. Working hard became my profession. Yeah. They picking sides, they crossing the line. I stick to the truth, I'm one of a kind. Gave it a God and follow his signs. Now all of a sudden I'm stuck in my prime. I'm wishing them well, I threw them a dime. They stuck in the shell, they drowning with time. You see the game, we still undefined. If they coming at us, they better rewind.
That's a good looking color. Man, that's a good looking color. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, it looks great. Looks like a brand new truck.
Run right here, but it's not a hard run.
So I might cover those up eventually. Anyway, like they got like a little carbon fiber thing, so I might even put some like
Well, this can, and then here, right when I first started. But they're not too bad of a run where I really feel like. Yeah, but I can buff these. Give it like 2 weeks. I kind of want to take it a step further. I want to buff the entire car.
Okay.
The whole thing. In a couple weeks, it'd be nice.
Yeah, just let me know when you're ready.
Yeah. Just to like take in. I mean, there's minor imperfections in just having a whole overall wet sand and buff. It would be wet sand with 1500 and 2000, buff with a wool pad, buff with a foam pad, and then polish as well.
Yeah, I'm down with that. Just let me know whenever you're ready. I'll drop it off and you can take your time.
Yeah.